Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Today we have a 2020 Dodge Ram 1500. Now this is going to go ahead and work on the 15, 25, 3500, as long as it's within that the years, 20, 21, 22. If you're ever having issues with your door handle here, it's stuck like that, don't want to go back in, just needs to be cleaned out. Maybe you want to go ahead and replace it. What you're going to want to do is get yourself a trim tool. I gave away my nice Snap-on to my body man, little metal one that I usually have, so I got a nice little plastic one, 90-degree pick, a T20 right there, little Torx bit T20, safety, Torx, it don't matter, Torx are Torx, and the handy-dandy trusty-dusty flashlight right there, and some lubricant if you're just trying to clean it out and maybe lube it up a little bit. So what you want to do is go ahead and find this plastic right here, this nice long piece of trim that goes all the way down to the bottom. If you got that, some trucks, some year, make, model may not have that, and you're going to have a little one right there, way up top, right where I'm pointing, and it's going to go through to the back. But you're just going to want to take your, I already popped this off and did it, just trying to save some time. But you're going to want to take it and put it behind just like this. Right there, and give it a little tug. And they should pop out easy. But again, I've already done this. Finished my job. And then you're going to want to go ahead and take your 90-degree pick, and you'll see a piece of tape right here over this hole if nobody's been in there yet. If they have, it'll look something like that where the tape was. And you go ahead and peel it off with your pick or whatnot. And then you're going to take your T20, just guide it through the hole right there, give it a little wiggle, and you'll feel it set. It should kind of click into place. Give it a little wiggle. You should feel tension when you got it. Oh, just like that. Right there, I got my tension. And then you can go ahead and just give it a couple twists. That should be backed off enough. You can go pull your handle. And then give that a little wiggle. It ain't loose enough yet. A couple more twists on that ratchet. Oh, maybe it needs some persuasion. And you're just going to keep on screwing until this pops off. And it's not going to want to cooperate. So we're going to go ahead and grab our trim. And it's getting there. It's just about off. Don't worry, the screw should not fall out or come out. And it's just going to pull just like that. It's going to pull straight out. You ain't got to finagle it in no different way. And then this handle, once it's in, looks nice and normal. Just go ahead and move that up out of the way so we don't drop it, crack it. You're just going to slide it forward. Just so you see, you'll hear a click, and it'll pull straight out. And you're just going to reinstall it the same way. You're just going to slide it in. One of those, you can't mess it up. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And to put it in, just reverse order. Put that in, and then turn your ratchet to on, screw it in, and you're all set. Put your trim piece back on, and that's all there is to changing out the door handles. Your front, right there, it's going to be the same exact way as the rear. I hope this video finds somebody and helps them out. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. We're almost there to the minimum amount of subscribers to get this channel off the ground and bring you better content and quality. I appreciate it, y'all. Y'all be blessed and have a great day.